like them. It sucks me out and think like them.
Hi guys! Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Welcome. Glad to have you. And today I'm here with Ipsy Icon Box. Now if you're not familiar with the Icon Box, you already have to get either the Glam Bag or Boxy Charm, and you can upgrade it 4 times a year. And when you upgrade it, it's this, and it's basically taken over by an influencer or a celebrity or something. Okay, and it goes, when you get to the Icon Box, it's $60 a month or $60 a season, and $1.99 handling is what they're calling it, plus tax. Now it says it's valued up to $300, and this time it was taken over by Chrissy Teigen and John Legend. I gotta get my drink. Okay. And when you open it up, I have cut the seal, but I didn't open anything else up. But it comes in this little, this is what it looks like, and it has this little foam here to protect your stuff. And I have a couple add-ons with mine, so we'll get to those. But anyway, they always come with, I gotta get myself situated. Okay, is that better? No, because this thing's sticking out. There. And they always come with this little magazine. It tells you about the people and the items. So, and I do believe that prices are in here. Hopefully I can see them, because you know I can't get my new glasses until the first of the month, and so it is what it is. Okay, then you take that off, and this is basically what it looks like, and this one is totally full. So I'm gonna see if I can just fold it over. Let's see if I can't use it that way to find the prices and things. Okay. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out is Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. Now, I don't use dry shampoo, so I will give this to a friend. And she'll enjoy that. Let's see how much it is. It says it's $33, which is pretty expensive. It's a pretty expensive brand. Let's see if I can change this tab. Okay. Yep. So then, these brushes, and and then I got these brushes, and these are the LITHE brushes, and it's a set of 5, and they're eye brushes. And these are really nice brushes. Yeah, they're really nice brushes. They're sturdy enough to be usable, but yet soft enough not to do damage. So, oh, there's 6, I guess. There's one more in here. So that's those. Let's see, that $48. I got these two as an add-on, and they're Luna Magic Face Brushes. And I just thought, well, then I'll have a whole new set of, completely new set of brushes. So these were add-ons. But I figured I'd go ahead, because I haven't seen these brushes either. Oh, these are the kind you push up through. And they're very soft. They're pretty well made. I mean, they're very soft. So I will put these down in my little pile down here. Okay. And I don't remember the value of those, but they're not part of the box. So then we got these. And these are those facial radiance pads by First Aid Beauty. And we got these as a trial in something else. You know, a trial size in something else. I don't remember which box it was. But and you get 8 full-size items when you do this. When you upgrade to this. Oh, here it is. Okay. Let's fin. Okay. Oh, these are. This is $38. Looks like that. And they're like the old Stridex pads that you used to use for acne as a teenager. And I've used them in the sample size. And see, they just look like that. And you just, on your skin, you know. So that's that. And I'll also write the amounts on the screen, and I will leave the links down below, and the link for you to join Ipsy, and if you want to, and all the links for the individual products in case you're interested in those. And then I also leave a link down below to subscribe to my channel. Now, you know, it's absolutely free, but it helps me immensely, so I would sure appreciate it. Thank you. Okay. What's this one? This one is MZ Skin Calming Moisturizer. And that's what that looks like. Let's see. And this is what it looks like. And this is a glass jar. This is $130. And I'll be honest with you, I got that a couple times ago. I got that Charlotte Tilbury moisturizer. I didn't like it. And it was like a $100 moisturizer, and I didn't like it. And I was like, well, I'm glad I didn't pay the $100 for it. And this is what it looks like. And that's the consistency. Now that's nice, but a lot of these more expensive moisturizers, I notice they take forever to sink in. So I usually just wear those at night because it takes so long for them to sink in. But I ended up giving that Charlotte Tilbury to my sister, and she liked it. So I will try this one, but this one's $130. That's expensive. That's expensive. Okay, let's see if I can find this one. Okay, and then the next item is GloWish, and it's by HUDA Beauty. And it's light. Come on. There, I got it. There, I got it. Let's see if I can find what it... Okay. Oh, here it is. Okay, this is it says HUDA Beauty, GloWish, spelled like GloWish, and Multidew Vegan Skin Tint Foundation, and it's $37. And this is what it looks like inside the box. And it's one of these type. And there's the color. Look. And we'll see how that does right on my track marks there. It's a little bit off of my skin tone. A little bit off, but it's alright. You know, it blends in and it's And that's what it looks like. I always like to test some foundations and stuff right on those track marks, because if it hides them, then you know it'll hide about anything on your face. So there's that, which I've never used any Huda Beauty foundation, so that will be interesting for me to try. Okay, let's see what's next. Some of this. Oh, this is Defy by I think it's GOLDFADEN MD. That's what it is. It's GOLDFADEN MD, and it's Defy. Yeah, it would have been easier to just take it out. I could read it there easier. So let's see if I can see it this way. And a lot of these eye creams I do give to my sister because I get so many that I can't really use them all. But we'll see. A lot of times I use them a couple times and then give them to her. Just so I have a, you know, these are always my first impressions because, you know, I haven't used it yet. Oh, here it is. And that is $85. This is $85. And that's interesting. See that? Whoa. Oh, I just dropped it inside my box. Yeah, we'll go here. And that's the consistency. Just feels nice. Feels very nice. So that's $85 plus $130 moisturizer. So there's $215 just in two items. Again, those are things that I couldn't afford to continue. I mean, then we got this. This is BURKI. Oh, it's BURKI. Reversal Lift Full Form Control Marine Collagen Gel. This is $160. And this, what does it say here? It says Form Control Marine Collagen Gel. Oh yeah. And that's, here, let me show you what it looks like. There's that. And it also has one of these type things. That's the consistency. And it's like a white gel. And it kind of turns into a watery gel type thing that absorbs. So that's collagen gel, which quite honestly, collagen can't get through your top layer of skin. The molecules are too large. So just bear that in mind. That's okay. And then we got Commodity Juiced. And I believe that's his, it's supposed to be a unisex cologne or something, but I believe that's John Legend's brand. Yeah, here it is. And this is $75. And it says, smell good, feel good. A spritz of the juicy fragrance helps set the vibe for the whole night. Now, I guess it's not his brand, it's Commodity brand, but this is what he must wear. But I thought he had his own brand. And I haven't smelled this one, but I do like a lot of the Commodities perfumes. Oh, my sister likes that milk. I can't open the box. I'm just going to tear the box because I'm not playing with this game all day. Yeah, if I was going to use it as a present, I ain't now. Jeez, can't get it open. This bra was fine until I sat down. I'm starting to see that's what it is with these bras. They are absolutely fine until I sit down. And I don't know what happens when I sit down. But this is what it looks like. And yes, that is full size. Okay, I'm going to spray it into here. It does smell good. It's not overbearing. Yeah, I do like the smell of that. Of course, it probably won't go well with my other one, but I do like the smell of it. And I like the spray colognes because I put them on my clothes and they last longer, but also I don't have an allergic reaction that way. So yeah, this little bottle is $75. But it does smell good. I'll give it that. It smells good. It's a good thing because I couldn't give it away after tearing the box up like that. Well, I could give it, you know, family. And this was an add-on one, and I do like this. This is Juliette Has a Gun. Juliette. And it's Juliette Eau de Parfum. And I do like the smell of this. And this was an add-on. Now, and it's one of these sizes. Now, these are usually enough for about a month. So, I mean, it's got quite a few uses in it. But I do like that one, too. So, I'm probably good to go on perfume for a while. But who knows? Now, this one's a little bit different. But they're very similar scents, actually. I don't know what that scent that they have in common is. But there's something right there. And but I do like it. I got this in another box. So it was like $6 for an add-on. I grabbed it because. Okay, then the last item in my box is the MAKIAGE MAKIAGE. And it's the palette. And it looks like this on top, and this on the back. And this is, and it's basically, you know, blush, bronzers, and highlighters. Just very smooth formula. That's the top row. Oh well, we'll just do that. And then here's the bottom row. I'm kind of putting them putting them next to their counterparts, but that kind of got screwed up. So there's those. $61. So that's value of $61. And I'll give you the total value for the box right here. Come on back. Like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. We'd love to have you. Bye.